Hi, I've had the opportunity to work closely with Matteo for the past 6 months. I know Matteo for several years, but we've been working together for the past 6 months, and actually it has been an outstanding experience. And one thing that became clear very quickly is he doesn't just teach business growth; he teaches wealth creation. And having been involved in Matteo in raising more than 500 million of funding throughout his career, he's seen firsthand what investors really value. And he wrote this book, Fail, Pivot, and Scale. So where the formula of this is already here. So the high valuation code brings that experience together into practical frameworks that help founders think differently about their business, not just as a source of income, but as an asset that can grow, attract capital, and create lasting wealth. So if you are building a company and want to create something with a real long-term value, I generally recommend taking the high valuation scorecard, and it will completely change the way you see your future. Highly recommended. Hope you can take it soon. Thank you.